Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB World Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just built an amazing project using Python and artificial intelligence, and we have also built projects using Next.js and Tailwind. And I hope you understand that. Like we have just built an amazing social media chatting app, and I hope you understand that project which we have just built. And in the previous video, we have just covered up an amazing Python artificial intelligence project, and I hope you understand that project as well. But today we are just building an amazing project using DSA in Python. Means we will be using data structure algorithm in Python, and I will be telling you that using DSA how you can just build an amazing project and how to use DSA in Python when we are working with artificial intelligence. So I hope you will be understanding this amazing data structure algorithm video. So if you understand and if this video is interesting for you, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, a notification bell from which you will be receiving all the notifications of my video which I will be uploading in the future. And also remember to share these videos so more people can understand and they can learn about these things which we are just learning, and how to just build these amazing projects using different languages. So now we'll be starting with our video, and from start point we'll be seeing that how we are just building this project and what things we will be using in this project from start. So just like I'm telling you that in the start we are just working with data structure algorithm in today's video, and we will be just building an amazing project. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that what project we are just building using DSA, means data structure algorithm in Python. So for building project using DSA, here we have to open a new window, because in this window I've already opened my previous project here. After making a new window, I will be now just doing one thing. I will be closing my previous window here. So you can see we have now closed it. After closing this, we have to now just work, and we have to create one file in which we will be writing all the DSA code. So I will be now just creating a new text file here, and then you can just give any of the name to your new text file. So here we will be just giving it the name as, like I will be saving it on desktop. So I will be moving here, pressing save here. Then I will be giving it the name as main.py. So when we are working with Python, so we have to write .py, which is the command to save any Python file here. And now we have just saved this Python file on our desktop. Now we have to move to Google Chrome, and you have to just move to here on the Google Chrome, write Google and write here Python download. For Windows you can write, or directly you can write Python download, and here you will be seeing that we are just getting a Python download, and this is python.org website. From here you can download any of the Python version. So today in this video we will be using data structure algorithm, and I will be telling you that how you can use installation when we are working with data structure algorithm in Python. So there are many things which we can download in Python, means there are many libraries which we can just use in Python and which we can download through DSA here. But today I will be telling you how to install the latest version of Python when we are working with the data structure algorithm. So there are different commands of every Python which we download. So there are many different versions also of every Python. Like if I move to my command prompt to check what is my version of Python which I am using here, so I will be writing here Python dash version. Press enter. You can see it is saying me that it is 3.10.11 the version which I am having, but the latest version you can see is 3.11.4. So we have to use this version, and you can see this saying me the latest version for Windows is here. So I will be directly pressing download Python 3.11.4. Now it is downloading Python like this. You can see just it will be not taking too much time to download. It will be taking just some of the while, and then it will be working. So we have to reload it. Then I will be pressing show all, so it will be opening another file. You can see it has opened, it has downloaded my file of Python. So I will be now working with this. So I will be directly now moving to my folder, move to downloads. Here is our file, so I will be opening it, and then you have to press run button. After running, you have to just modify. So I will be modifying this, then install, and you can see I have installed in the same location. So our file has been saved. Now if I just write here the Python version again, press enter, it is saying me still 3.10.11. But if I reload and if I open command prompt again, then if I write here Python dash version, press enter, you can see now again it is saying me that Python. Then I will be writing here Python use, or you can say Python file like this. So you can see it is saying me that it is not working. So I will be opening this, open, run, then you have to write here modify, and then you have to press back, install. So now I am installing this. You can see it is installing this, all the stuff which we are getting here, and then you can install it again. So here it will be taking too much time to install, but means that it depends on your just computer speed, like how just comfortable and how fast is it. If it is slow, so it will be taking time to just uninstall it. but in sometimes it is uninstall fast as well if you are having a fast computer. So you can see it is taking some time because I'm having some space. Still it is downloading. We have just created our main.py file, so we can just work on this file here, but we have to check. You can see now it is installed here, so we have to install it again. So we can just run our Python file again, run here, then you have to write here install now, and you can see it is installing all the libraries here of this 3.11.4, and then we will be using this latest version of Python. You can see. And remember, you have to download Python for Windows only. If you are using Linux or Mac, so you can download for that as well. But we are using Windows, so I am downloading for Windows. So you can see it has installed the pip bootstrap as well, which is the library. And now it is comfortable. Setup was installed. It is saying me that move to local disk here. Here we have to write Python. If I write and if I search here Python, so we should be getting the Python file, I think. Yes, we are getting means that Python has been installed in our system. Then I will be writing and moving to my Windows PowerShell. Write here Python dash version to check it has been installed or not. Yes, we are getting the version, but still it is the older version which we are getting. Now you have to just directly move in the file and write any tag. If I write the print tag, and if I write this is DSA installation like this, because today I'm telling you how to just install Python with DSA. So this was the DSA installation which I'm telling you. So if you want to run this file, write here cd desktop like this, and then you have to create Python, or you can say right here main.py, which is our file name. Press enter. You can see it is saying me that it is not working. So I will be writing Python main.py like this, and then press enter. You can see it is saying me that DSA is this is a DSA installation, means that it is working. So if I just make this tag here, and if I just write here like DSA tag means data structure. So if I write here DSA like this, and if I write is equals to data structure like this and algorithm like this, if I write, then if I move down and create print tag in which I will be defining the DSA which I have written, then you have to print this. So I will be writing Python main.py, press enter. You can see it is saying me data structure algorithm which I have written in the print tag. So like this you can just use. So I hope you understand how we can just use this Python file. So remember one thing, when you are working with DSA, so we have to run our file when we are writing Python. So remember when you have installed the DSA of Python, because in this video I have telling you how to install data structure algorithm of Python from the python.org website, and when you have installed that, so remember you have to write the Python tag, then you have to write the file name and with the .py tag, because when we are saving any Python file, so we have to write .py, which is the command to save any Python file. So it will be saving in the Python format when you write .py in the end of your file name. So remember you have to write first of all Python, then your file name with .py in the end. Then when you will be pressing enter, so you will be getting all the like stuff which you have written in your file here. Like I've written data structure algorithm in the DSA tag, so it is showing me that structure here. So like this you can just use. So I hope you understand how we have just installed the DSA, that means data structure algorithm installation in Python, and I hope you understand how we can install data structure algorithm Python when we are working with DSA in Python. So I hope you understand this video of installation when we are working with DSA. So remember to hit a like if you understand this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using these all amazing languages. And I'll be building up 4 projects like that, and I hope that will be helpful for you. So just tell me, meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.